So basically, before how I came here, I came to know about the success point. That's what I'm going to say. So first of all, it's basically all these days, after completing, after doing so many, so many years of teaching, and even now I'm just I should say a part-time teacher. So giving, coaching for entrance, seeking children. Normally, we at home, even though we are not together always, my family is, as many of you knowing, my family is not here, they are in Abu Dhabi, they will be joining me by tomorrow. And sometimes we will be having some kind of discussion. So one day my wife, she is also having the habit of, listening to all these kinds of conversation. And one day she somehow came to know about the success point, and also she listened to one interview in which ma'am was talking about various aspects of this NLP. So one day she suggested, she asked me whether why don't you go and join or try at least. So I actually visited, I just checked with the people as well as, through the website I came to know about all these courses, and I joined. And after coming here, in fact, it was really, helpful, not only just helpful, it is inspiring. That's what I should say. Inspiring, enlightening, and encouraging, and even empowering. That's what I would like to say, because, after having so many years of experience in whatever the field I am handling and dealing with right now, the main thing is, maybe, in between we come across with so many things, so many incidents, and many, we contact with many people, interact with many people, and knowingly or unknowingly we will be having so many different experiences. But at that time we may be ignorant about it. We are not, much worried about, we are not much bothered about such things. But later on, after joining this course and attending these classes, for 2 days, what I understood is, many of these things we have, in between, we have, we came to know about these things, but we were not aware of much. But that part, in fact, it was really helping me to have a rethinking of whatever happened in the past. And also again, in future it would be helpful, in a way, while I am trying to do something, whatever, whether it is a business, whether it is teaching, or whether it is interacting with someone else also, I will definitely try, as you said before, not to react, but just to respond. Where I do understand that reaction is something very immediate, very spontaneous, where there is no much thinking involved in it. At the same time, response is, though it is bit slow, but there will be always something positive to happen into that. This is what I learned. This is what I am going to practice in my day-to-day life throughout my life. So thank you very much.